Hi, I wanted to share an oral skills exercise that you can do that uses Google Chrome's Music Lab. So this is a tool that I created a couple years ago. I call it Drum and Drone, and what it does is there's a sequence of them. And this one is the first one. It's getting students to feel what singing 1, 3, and 5 like is against a drone. Being able to feel when you're in unison, to feel the fifth, and to feel the third. And it also like prompts students to push it sharp or push it flat. Let's listen to a little bit of this one.
We're going to work on feeling what it's like to sing a unison, a fifth, an octave, and a third. You could sing solfege, this would be do, whatever system works best for you. If you feel yourself running out of breath, you can take a cheater breath and come back in. Now I want you to try to push this note flat.
And then we'll go a little farther.
Okay, stop.
Hearing the octave.
And now we're going to sing back to the unison. Here we go.
And I found this really helps with students that have a difficulty with that connection between what they think in their head and then the mechanism from here to here just doesn't like work. So this helps them, but there's no real way of assessing it unless you're in front of somebody who has a better ear than you. You can't say like, you're right, you're wrong, but you can. So check this out. This is the Music Lab by Chrome, and this is the Songmaker one. So this is just all 1, 3, 5. The cool thing is, I don't know if it was definitely wasn't on purpose, but they used a similar color. I mean, I just stole colors from like Boomwhackers, but they use the same colors. So the solfege is still represented here like correctly, like red is do and mi is yellow, and so is this like teal. So let's listen to this. And it'll just loop it. And I guess you could sing along with it. Do, 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 mi, so. I mean, that is helpful, but this is where it's cool. So if you click on Edit with Songmaker down there, it's going to open up an instance of Google Chrome Music Lab. Same thing. I mean, you have slightly more control. Everything has been saved from before, so I'm going to pick slower tempos for this. But what's awesome is this. If you click on mic, it allows you to sing do, do, mi, so, and it'll show you in real time how sharp or flat you are. And this is free. There is no turn in. There is no auto grading feature. Let me show you what it looks like if you get it wrong. So I'll sing mi, do, mi. So that's a little flat and weird, but you can see it's not correct. There is no turn-in feature, as I said. So I think how I am going to use it, my workflow, is I'm going to have students do performances of it. Like they'll have to practice it. If they don't practice it when they do the performance, it's not going to work out. Here's how the performance is going to work. The performance is just going to be a screen video on whatever their device is. And I know this is available on Chromebook. It's available on iOS. It's on Android. It's on Mac, PC. Create a screen video of the students selecting mic. Do, oh boy, do, mi, so. Like, if you see that, it's really easy to grade. Like, they got 2 out of the 4 notes correct, 2 out of the 4 notes incorrect. So they'll have to practice it and then submit the video recording, and that is their evidence for the assignment. I think I'm going to create a huge structure with all these different types of assignments, and I'm going to see how far I can push my theory students with oral skills using this tool for assessment. Peace.